R6, man, that front tire is bad. But I just wanted to do this quick little thing before I posted the races. I just want to kind of go over some things, because I notice a lot of people take this racing stuff pretty serious. Like, man, if you come into race day with me or the squad or whatever, just don't listen. We all out here to have fun, okay? Don't take anything that anyone says out of context. Man, this is fun. This is a fun hobby for a lot of us. Whether it's win, lose, or draw, just congratulate whoever, if somebody beats you or somebody's faster than you, then, just congratulate them. Good race and keep it moving. It shouldn't go no further than that. This is all free. It's just for fun. It's a hobby. We all like doing this. So, just keep that in mind. Me as a YouTuber, I post race videos. So if anybody comes out to race day, I'm gonna post, videos and stuff. And when I post a video, whether I'm winning or losing, it's not in no disrespectful way. Because, one of us is gonna have to lose. That's just what it is. Unless we just dead even, somebody has to take that L. And more people should take the L without attaching an ego to it. And another thing is, stop letting these comments and people respond. That's really what be getting people worked up. It's not necessarily that that there's an issue about really racing or losing. It's just that they boys or the people watching or whoever's coming say stuff, and then next thing you know, it causes issues. Man, look, if those comments or anything or people saying stuff to you is going to get you, upset or something, man, just come on, man, just don't read them or something. Like, come on, this is all for fun, y'all. This is fun. If you hanging with your buddies, just make sure y'all ride safe. Everybody's doing their thing, and just have a good time, man. Just leave your ego out of this. One more thing, if any of you guys want to join my Facebook group, it's called Racing Family. You can look it up. It's just a little page that I made just for the biking community, just to kind of bring everybody together, where people could, sell their parts or bike services or whatever. It is mainly, this is an English page. So if you don't speak English, or if you're too young, you probably don't need to come to the group. But for all you guys with bikes that just want to learn some more stuff, or just, like I say, meet new people, or whatever, showcase your bike or whatever, then yeah, send a request to the group. See if we can get you in there and join the squad.